ways you'd really want to symbolize an ArcMap. I'm pretty confident about that. Usually you're going to get data and then you're going to symbolize it light to dark color, or like small to big size, or a color for each type of thing. I mean, that's basically it. And or you're going to have it be one symbol for all of the features on the map. And you're going to find all those options every time in that properties symbology window. There's a website that really helps called colorbrewer.com, www.colorbrewer. I suppose that might be it. Colorbrewer 2, I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's the same thing. So it was colorbrewer2.org, so I'll send that out in the email as well. Made by a woman named Tracy Brewer, and but it's also brewing colors together. Anyway, just kidding. You can see the different sequential, diverging, qualitative here would be like, so sequential would be light to dark, and the website is helpful because it gives you really good, clear color palettes, basically. So you can click on it and then kind of see what your map's going to look like if you pick those colors. To get, and then you can see kind of what the difference is between diverging, two colors going off in different directions, or qualitative, which would be like, these are the different types, like here's 3 types. And the whole thing is that you can get the RGB values for these colors. And you can plug those into ArcMap to use your specific colors. And these look great. Like if you make a map and you use colors from this website, you'll be happy. I guess the other thing to know is you can switch the number of classes you have. So if I do 8 or 12 even, it'll give me a ton of good colors to have on a map together that are going to be really easy to distinguish from each other. Because the hardest part is when people make maps a lot. Actually, somebody just made one for, I want to show my computer. Somebody just made one for me today. And the problem was you can't look at the legend and then look at the map and tell, because there's like 3 grades of tan, and it's like tan is too close together to be able to tell. But this website's great. And once you get these values, you can go to ArcMap, and you can watch this video again to get this. This will be a quick one. If you are in most places where you can pick a color, if you ever get to this drop-down menu and you go to more colors, you can just pick RGB. Sometimes it will be stuck on one of these other 2, but if you go to RGB and you have the R and the G and the B, you can, another Windows trick, you can just drag your screen to the side or the top to make it full screen, or the side to split it between 2 things. Anyway, so if you go to you see all my RGBs here, and then if I go to my color picker, and let's say I want that blue, so that would be 31, 120, 180. 31, tab, 120, tab, 180. And then I hit OK, and I can make this just so you can see. It's the same blue now. And I can save the symbol, and so now I'll always have that blue dot sitting there.